My name is Erica V. Elliott. I have 37 years of business and sales experience, and so I know a little bit about what I'm talking about. So let's talk about your business, all right? So I would say that we need to stop procrastinating like I just told you I was doing. So I was still able to run my businesses. It just takes an extra step, right? But some of you are putting off things that are costing you money. Okay, and let's talk about what we can do about that right now. So get a pen and pencil, get a pen and paper, and I want you to write this down. You need to brand yourself. You really, really do. If you're a direct seller and let's say you sell lipstick or water or supplements, right? Stop branding that company, because how many companies have you been with that changed names, or maybe you left them, right? You don't need to brand the product, okay? Because people are actually buying it because it's you and how you treat them and how you serve them. So step one, brand yourself, okay? Step two, stop self-sabotaging yourself. Truthfully, I mean, people, if you had a job, a job, and you had to go to work and your dog just got sick on the carpet, you would find a way, make a way, and you'd still go to work. If you're self-employed, your dog has an accident on the carpet and now we've taken the whole day off, maybe the whole week off. Again, 37 years of entrepreneurship. I've helped thousands and thousands and thousands of people to grow their business simply and non-pushy. So I know this is what happens when we have a business. We start putting everyone before us. And one of the main reasons is we're afraid. We're afraid that that person, that negative person, it could have even been your spouse who was being negative to you, who said you're not going to do well, is going to be right. You're so afraid to step out of your comfort zone because you're afraid that you're going to fail. Let me tell you something. The only way, the absolute only way you fail is if you stop. Okay? If you stop. So that's simple. So why not set yourself up for success? Talk to yourself the way you would talk to your child or your best friend, right? Encourage yourself, right? Shorten the learning curve. Get a mentor. I'm available. Invest in yourself. So I have my boot camp coming up next week. It's only $59. I never sell anything for $59. But why am I doing this? Because I know that many of you are afraid to invest in yourself because you're afraid you won't follow through. You're afraid all the hate wrong. The skills that you learn, you can transfer. Holy moly, now it's back. Sorry about that. Jamaica life sometimes, right? So you can never go wrong when you invest in yourself, because again, you can take that skill set that you learned. You can help your church with things, you can help others. You never know. So that's why the 5-day boot camp is only $59 and it's going to be ending in a couple of days. So I don't want you to miss out. But 5 days, let me show you what you can tweak on your social media, because I'm telling you, I look at profiles every single day and it is not clear. It's not clear who your ideal client is. It's not clear what you do. And if you're like, well, that's just for my friends and my family. Well, could they be your ideal client? Right? Do they know someone who could be? But the other thing is that's where people are going. And the more you avoid it, there's tricks you can do. You don't have to show everything to the world, right? But your Facebook personal is going to get way more traction than a business page ever will. And that's facts. I have been on social media before the pandemic, before it became a necessity. And I want to share with you some tips, how you can have some fast wins in your business, tweaks that you can make. Did you know that sometimes it's just one word, oh no, that you could change that can make a huge difference. So if you would like to learn what you can do on social media so that you come across clear, so people know what it is you offer, right? So you're no longer spamming people, no hey girl messages, no bothering people, just showing up as the professional. Let me help you. So go to fixitfastbootcamp.com. If you can't remember what I just said, message me or comment below and I'll give you the information. But it's 5 days. This is my all new version. You get a private Facebook community and you have access to the replays if you cannot join me live. So it's a win-win. But if you're unwilling to invest $59 in yourself to help you to grow your business, I would say to you, you really need to look in that mirror and have a hard conversation with yourself and say, yo, what's the problem? Do you have a great product or service that can help others? Yes. Well, why are you self-sabotaging yourself and not trying to shorten your learning curve? Because I've seen people, honestly, I've seen people who are on Facebook 6, 7, 8 years, and they're complaining of the same thing. Nobody supports me. I can't do this. I might as well quit. That's not going to bring clients into your space. Or I see sale after sale after sale. Or even more, I see, hey, I need to win this prize. I need you to do this. Those are all slimy and pushy posts, whether you believe it or not. So let's make this summer different and let's stop begging people. Let's show up differently as the CEO that you are, and let's get it done, okay? Get her done. Let's change what we're doing. And sometimes it's just a few tweaks and you don't know what you don't know. Let me hold your hand. Let me help you. Let's create some content. Let's get people into your space. Let's change what you're doing right now. Please share this out. Please tag other entrepreneurs because they might not even realize, right? And maybe they don't need my services. Maybe they don't need the boot camp, but maybe they know someone who does. There's so many business owners out there. I believe in serving and blessing others. So if you wouldn't mind, please like this and share this out. This way Facebook will say, oh, people like Erica's content. We're going to show it to more people. The more people who can see this, the more people we can bless. And guess what changes? Their life can change because now they're going to have more clients. They're going to be able to pay off debt. They're going to be able to take the vacation. They're going to do all the things that they want to do. It's a trickle-down domino effect in a good way. All right. Well, I hope to see you in the Fix It Fast boot camp. It's going to be amazing. A workbook. Okay. You have lifetime access and I'm going to be by your side. And tomorrow is the last day if you want to get that bonus where I'm going to go through your social media with you personally and have a 30-minute session and show you what you personally need to do. All right. Got to hop on another call. See you later, alligator. Bye for now.